Hi guys, Kevin here. We're in the kitchen garden today and we're about to harvest potatoes. These are the potatoes that I planted back on May 4th, 2019. And if you'd like to see the planting tutorial, I'll post a link to that video in the description box below. Anyway, I harvested some of the potatoes yesterday and then it just got too hot. So let's have a look. So I got all of these potatoes just from the surface of one bed. And this is Kennebec. And here's another Kennebec. Some of them are really huge. Well, most of them are huge. And some of them are medium sized. I also have Red Norland over here. Kennebec and Red Norland are great potatoes for northeastern gardens like mine. They might grow just as well in your West Coast garden, I don't know. Anyway, I planted the potatoes, the seed potatoes, about 6 to 8 inches below the soil surface last May, and then I covered them with about a foot of straw as the vines grew. And the great thing about all that straw is that I have no green potatoes at all. So I'm very happy with this harvest, and I have a lot more potatoes that are still underground. But I'd like to show you some of the vines in another bed, and we're going to pull those up and see what we have. Now in the front of the bed, I know I planted fingerling potatoes, so let's see. Ooh, they're beautiful. They're red or pink or actually rose-colored fingerlings. Have a look. Really attractive. Pull these right off the vine. Got quite a few on one vine. Oh, yeah, this is a messy business. And let's see. I'm going to move these out of the way so they don't get lost. Add them to the other batch over here. And let's keep digging, shall we? Here's the soaker hose. Yeah, I found that the soaker hose was terrific for watering because all I had to do was flip a switch, maybe twice a week to water the potatoes and everything else in this kitchen garden. More, more, more. Oh, this is wonderful. Okay. Yep, more. I'll come back in a moment. Don't go away. You guys, look at this. Kennebec. Enormous. And I'm just having a great time digging through here. Of course, if you've ever grown potatoes, you know how much fun it is to plow through the soil and find your buried treasure. I'll be back. Okay, it's getting really hot now, so let me stop and show you what I've harvested so far just from the upper part of the two beds. Here are the potatoes from the first bed. Again, only from the surface. There are a lot more potatoes farther under the soil, and I'll have to do a lot of digging to get those. And here are the potatoes from the second bed. And I have, let's see, fingerlings, Kennebecs, Yukon Gold. I have a lot of potatoes. Of course, this means I'll have to film a lot of cooking videos for you. I think first up will be pomana. It's a great French potato dish. I'm going to let these potatoes dry in the sun for 2 or 3 hours. And then, and the reason you want to let them dry is so that their skins toughen up. And then afterwards, they will go into storage. So what I will do is, let me fix this camera, is pack the potatoes loosely in double thicknesses of paper bags. And then the bags will go into my cool, completely dark, and downright creepy Victorian cellar. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was kind of weird, but then I'm kind of weird. And please let me know how your own potato harvest is coming along. I love hearing from you. Ta-ta for now.